Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Absolutely Creative. I am Swathi. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified about all my new videos. You can also follow me on my social media handles to stay updated. I wish you all a very happy Sri Krishna Janmastami. In today's video, I am going to show you all how you can make Poha or Atukula Laddu on the occasion of Sri Krishna Janmastami. To make this recipe, we need the above ingredients. And now our Krishnashtami special Poha or Atukula Laddus are ready. This is a very easy and quick recipe to make on any festival days. You can store them in an airtight container. These laddus are good for consuming within 2 to 3 days. If you want to store these laddus for a longer period of time, you may want to skip the milk and roll these laddus using ghee entirely instead. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please hit that like button and share my videos with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel Absolutely Creative for more interesting videos.